In the video, we will discuss why nothing can go faster than the speed of light, what that really means, and the amazing physics behind it. And today's guest for discussion topic will be Mr. Gill and Dr. Saku. Hi.
Hey guys, I just had this amazing idea. What if we built a spaceship that could travel faster than light? We can explore the whole universe.
Oh, Mr. Gill, your enthusiasm for space travel is admirable, but there's something fascinating you need to know about light speed.
Wait, what do you mean? Can't we just build a more powerful engine? I mean, we went from horses to supersonic jets.
Here's the mind-bending part. It's not about technology at all. It's about the fundamental laws of physics.
Laws of physics? Can't we just break them? Like, hack the universe or something?
Let me explain with a fun example. Mr. Binod, imagine you're trying to push a shopping cart.
Oh, I'm great at shopping cart racing.
Perfect! Now, the faster you push it, the harder it gets to push, right? See? Slow push easy, fast push much harder. That's the idea!
Yeah, especially when the wheels are wonky.
Now imagine that effect becoming infinitely strong as you approach light speed. The closer you get, the more energy you need, until you need infinite energy!
Infinite energy? That's like trying to empty the ocean with a teaspoon.
But wait, I saw this blue glow in pictures of nuclear reactors. Isn't that something moving faster than light?
Excellent observation. That's called Cherenkov radiation. But there's a twist. That happens when particles travel faster than light travels in water, but still slower than light in a vacuum.
Hey, what about those sci-fi movies where they use wormholes and stuff?
Now that's where future technology might help. While we can't break light speed, we might find ways to bend space itself.
Bend space? Like folding a piece of paper to connect two distant points?
Exactly! And there's more mind-blowing stuff. Did you know that galaxies can appear to move away from each other faster than light?
What? But you just said nothing can go faster than light.
That's because space itself is expanding. It's like drawing dots on a balloon and then inflating it. The dots aren't moving, but the space between them grows.
My brain hurts, but in a good way!
So what about the future? Will we ever reach the stars?
Well, while we can't break light speed, we're working on amazing technologies like ion propulsion, solar sails, and maybe even antimatter engines.
And what about these, what did you call them, tachyons?
Tachyons, hypothetical particles that would always travel faster than light. But they're probably just mathematical curiosities.
You know what's really mind-blowing? The fact that we can understand these laws of physics at all.
Yeah, and even though we can't break light speed, it seems like there's still so much cool stuff to discover.
Absolutely! Who knows what other cosmic mysteries we'll uncover as we push the boundaries of science?
Well, one thing's for sure, this conversation just made my brain travel at light speed.
Thank you friends for watching the video. If you love the video, then subscribe the channel.